Everybody ready to go for a ride? Everybody ready? Try the seatbelts, the airplane's about to take off.
Watching a master at work.
We'll get into it, but your whole goal today is to teach her like everything she's learned has been like on the professional side of drag racing. Pull up the light, run from it. No negotiation, no getting in your head. So like that's you as a teacher. Cause you've been at this back, you know the deal. Like you know, it's like you need that level of like she needs to know that you don't do that. Although she may have to FaceTime you with someone real quick and be like, dude, you got something to say.
You know what I'm saying? But if you competitive and you don't like to lose, you know what I'm saying? I don't like to lose. They don't like to lose. So you ain't as long as you fast on your feet, put on your feet,
I was saying that like Ken was completely like taken back by like the level of like your what you guys started getting into on Pit Talk, and then obviously like our guys like Soupy and Vinny who like came up in that were like, all right, here we go. And he's like, I wish this was every race.
I like to try to get in people's head, even though I know that they come faster or they make more power, whatever the case may be. I still go look at it and check it out. He's still slow. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. Anytime they get a fast car, it don't even matter what they get or whatever it is. I always call them slow, and they don't like that. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people take offense to that, but that's what I like to start off with. Let's call them slow.
No matter what it is.
No matter what it is. Let's call them slow.
He said that's about the Hoonicorn.
It's slow.
He learned otherwise. He said about the Hoonicorn.
It took off. I left first a lot of times, but it's still.
Because also, we explained the other day, there's no such thing as cheating.
No.
It's using your resources.
Exactly
and sometimes
right.
sometimes a jump is a resource.
Yeah, that's a resource. That means your reaction time is a little better than that. And that's what you like.
Your reaction time is better than the hand drop.
Oh yeah.
That's all. You're just reacting faster than the guy dropping his hand.
That's what it is sometimes. But you always got to argue the case. Even if you're wrong, still argue the case. Anytime. That's what I always do. It works sometimes. Sometimes.
So before we get into negotiation, all that, why don't we just give Leah a tour of the place? Okay. So let her see kind of what, I don't think you've ever been around cars like this, right? Because you haven't even been to Hoonigan to see our dimes, but I'll be the first to admit these are a little bit faster.
Oh, what? I'll say it one more time, Scott? That's a little bit fast?
I just said it once. I need to say it again. I'm trying to build confidence in my own car.
You gotta stand the right way. Poke your chest up. Leah, come on. You walk to the shop. Roll your shoulders back. Come on. Cargo, SS, Blackbird, we got a single turbo. This is one turbo, 88mm turbo. 3D motor, 427, a little bit of nitrous on this one. It's something. 124, we got a custom made turbo, sleep on the bed. And that car's on 26s. Oh, I'm too hard in that tire, kid. If I'd have had that, it would have been a different story. It would have been a different story. But this one on the 24-inch custom made slip.
So what you're saying is the Hoonicorn made you go make those tires?
I don't know what the Hoonicorn made me do, but it made me learn stuff. I know that. Now I know that this is a little bit different than that, but they both have similar engines. So like if they come on this one, and I don't think I'm fast enough to win with that one, I'll put them on this one. I got a grenade and I got a grenade launcher.
Well, also now, like, so you started NDRA. Like, give us a quick on what that is, because you're actually like professionalizing dog racing, like doing classes. Before that, every car would race everything. These cars are 2,000 pounds.
Oh yeah, so with the NDRA, the National Dunk Racing Association, and then that way we incorporated organized class races with big payouts. So like people who grudge race get in it because we got big payouts, $40, $50 pots, and then that way we can separate the cars. So like if somebody came with a Donk and then they wanted a Monte Carlo, which is a G-body, then it's 2 different classes. So now we have a heavyweight G-body and a heavyweight Donk class. So they're separate, and they're just depending on the tire size and the wheel size. So it's something we do all over the nation, and we travel and race each other. And I think Scott would put that slow one he got with the big supercharger. You try a little rapid down there.
I didn't say nothing yet.
Okay.
Wait.
You just soak it up. Use your resources, Scott.
Yeah. I like this up here.
That's Gap Sauce. So this is my own brand of Gap Sauce. My partner with $90 right there, and now it's all over the world.
Special formula.
Special, and we got the big mother bottle of Gap Sauce there that we fill the other bottles with. But this is something that Gap Sauce is a word that I coined and trademarked to where I get our Gapman style, and I drip sauce on them whenever I do it, and that's something that we do now. You know what I mean? If you want to give people Gap Sauce, get a nice outlet.
I'm gonna let you call right now. Which footage do we show right now? Who do you want to show? We cut to. Who's getting gapped? Demonology. Who's getting gapped on this episode?
On this episode, we can do demonology. You know what I mean? Because he's with the Dodge, and every time I do with Dodge, it's DDD. That's Dodge dealership donations. That's what we take from them. You know what I'm saying? That's what we like. They got the drag back, they got the Hellcat, they got the track on, they got a farm of slow things, you know what I'm saying? So I always call them Dodge dealership donations, and that's part of what I like.
Text message has a little bit of trash talking, everyone.
But that's what it is. This is a big block, supercharged, 468 big block with a 671 blow on it. This one should make about 900 horsepower to the tire. So this is the beginning stage of how these cars look. Because see, they 1971 is 50 years old. So what we do first is, here in our custom, we mock it up, put the motors up, and then we pull all the wire harness out, the brake lines, the control arms, the bushes. We do everything front to back to make sure the car can handle this kind of power that never ever came in something like this. Yeah. So you know what I mean, something 5,000 pounds, run on pump gas in the street, can smoke the tires every year. A lot of fun. A whole bunch of fun. You know about that.
All our car does right now is smoke tires. Every year, that's all it does.
Every year is smoke tires. So that's what this one is. And that one will get a turbo LS engine in that one too. That's gonna make about 1,500. But he more like, he wanted a lot of show car type thing. So you want with a candy paint, a real flashy paint. And that's what it is.
You got MTC on the track, man.
So me and Brian be ball up knee to knee. We will be knee to knee, man. We definitely gonna be knee to knee.
I'm sure.
Brian, look at the bed.
Man, American cars.
Everybody ready to go for a ride? Everybody ready? Try to see belts, you about to see everybody about to take.
Still seems to be optional back here.
Yeah, you in the bag, you in the truck driver. How do you play your dose levels too? How do you play your dose levels too? How do you play your dose levels too? Alright, y'all seen how I play my dose levels too. So y'all show how to play y'all dose levels too. Download the dose, hashtag dose levels too, and show me how y'all play y'all dose levels too. Little something light.
We will have Leah drive our Donk.
Huh? She can do that?
Cause then our car will be lightweight compared to your heavyweight. So
We can try that. They add another turbo too. And we can get it up. Just one or two.
on top of the supercharger?
Yeah, with
Alright.
nitrous, with nitrous.
All of it, just all the power adders. All of it.
A cornucopia of more time.
A smorgasbord of
That's
power.
what I like. That's what I like.
I think my brain shook out of my head.